Hey folks, Paul Meeks here for Worthington Products with another great innovation by Worthington. Remember the old log boom chains they used to use for wooden log booms? Well, you still have it. We have it with our ODINBOOM. It's a great connection if you have a boom line that needs to be moved frequently, especially in those burn areas where you've got to move your boom to an inlet or somewhere where a lot of debris is coming down. How easy can this be? My gosh, it doesn't get any easier than this. You just pick this up, drop it down, and you pull it up. If I was strong, I'd be able to pull that chain up, but I'm not. You pull it up, you move your booms, and then you come back in, you slide this back up through the boom, voila, you've got a boom line any length configuration that you want. You know why? Worthington knows how to do it. We've been doing this for over 25 years, so on your next boom project, there's only one company to call, and that's Worthington Products. Thank you so much.